Hi guys, so my background is different again. I have finally gotten I told you guys in my Shop Miss A haul, but I got my light and like a stand thingy, which I'm really happy about. And then I also got my background, so now I'm not like trying to like makeshift pin things around to get this background to stay up. So that's like really awesome. I am still trying to figure this part out right here, but it's much better than it used to be. But yeah, I'm back in Japan now. I'm back at home. Brought a lot of stuff with me. So in this video, I am doing a collab. So this is really exciting. I think this is my first collab I'm filming. I have another collab, so I'm doing 2 collabs. This one will be up first, and I think the very next day or the day after I'm going to have another collab video up. But this collab is with Danielle Gerstenberger. Hold on guys, her name is a little hard to pronounce. I think it's Gerstenberger. I'm really sorry, Danielle, if it's wrong, but I think that's how it. Danielle Gerstenberger / Glamberger. So I'm just gonna go with Glamberger. Okay, that's a little easier on me, but I'm sorry if it's mispronounced. But yeah, so I'm gonna link her channel down below. She does a lot of makeup tutorials as well. She's got a really awesome channel. Yeah, so we're doing a collab. So with spring coming up and stuff, our collab is gonna be more spring related. It's on sort of pastel colors, trying to make like cotton candy-esque makeup looks. Yeah, so I'm really excited to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup really fast, and then we'll go into the eyes. So I'm really excited. So for my face, I'm going to use Milani. Yeah, I just recently got this. Okay, so I'm just taking, I think I'm gonna take about 2 pumps. Probably, so I'm taking 1 more pump or half a pump. So this collab is actually really exciting. We've been like talking about it for the past couple weeks, like at least 2 or 3 weeks, I think. And so it's pastel colors. I think I'm gonna stick to pinks, blues, purples maybe. Try and make them very pastel. Have a cotton candy look. It's meant to be a wearable look though. I'm not gonna like start drawing clouds all over or cotton candy or clouds all over my face or anything, but so it's meant to be a wearable look. So we'll see how this turns out. I don't know. It might go good, it might go bad. I have no idea if I'm gonna have a haul video with this included in it or not. I'm at the moment actually, so I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear, but my laptop is kind of like overheating a bit, so it's like making a loud noise. But currently exporting and then going to upload my Shop Miss A haul video right now. Then I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose, outskirts, a little of my forehead and chin. Okay guys, so next I'm going to set my face. I am going to bake under eye because I am using some bright colors today. I don't want anything moving. I don't want any fallout to like ruin my makeup or anything like that. I'm gonna bake under eye, and then I'm taking the rest of the makeup and buffing it in to the places where I put highlighter, essentially. But yeah, Danielle has a really nice channel. She does a lot of makeup tutorials / reviews. She has some like book videos as well, some fitness. It's a really nice channel, so you guys should definitely check her out. Okay, and I'm gonna just brush my brows out in the front. Okay, that's good enough for me, personally. I'm not very good at doing brows, so this is pretty much as good as I get them. They're also 2 different shapes, and we're going to ignore that, but it's okay. I'm going to first set my eyes with a Just a nice base color. I'm going to take from the Impressed You palette from Beauty Lays. I'm taking this second color down the column. It's kind of, oh yeah, you can see that's good yellow white. So I'm going to go ahead first. I'm going to take with this little blending brush. I'm taking this. No, I'm just going to lay down a transition color because if not, this might get a little messy really quick. So I'm going to take an orange, which is not really pastelish, but I'm just going to have I need a transition color for this look because it might get really messy really fast. I don't really work with color that much. Okay, so I have the orange on here now. Update on this Beauty Lays palette. The more I've been using these shades, especially the orange, the more pigmented they're getting. So that's actually really interesting. I don't know if maybe it's like what some people have with like highlighters and blushes. After you scrape off the first layer, the inside is a lot more pigmented. So maybe it's like one of those, because if you guys went back and watched my review of this, it took a lot to build up this color, but now it literally like been like two or three going back 2 or 3 times. Just like you guys can see the orange, when like last time you guys could barely see any orange on camera. That's really good. Okay, so next I'm going to take with the same brush this turquoise right here. That is very pigmented. It's such a pretty color. So there's a little bit of fallout here, so luckily I did bake. So I'm going to actually put a little bit more bake. I'm going to try and rub a bit off and add a bit more bake because I'm kind of worried. I don't want to have a bunch of blue down my face. So next I'm going to take this color right here, right next to that blue, which is like a more pastelish, shimmery blue. And I'm not going to put that all over where I had it. I'm just going to put it up to about in this area right here. So I'm mixing these two pinks. So I have had a lot of trouble using those two colors in the past. So I'm kind of hoping it's gonna work out. Okay, it's not bad. I think the main thing though is you can't tell it's pink. It doesn't come off quite as pink as I'd like. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. But I'm now going to just go into this Vice Reloaded palette. You guys, I don't want to blind you guys. I'm taking the pink in this palette. That's pretty. Then I'm going to use my fingers again. I think shimmers just apply the best with fingers. So I'm taking right below that pink is like a pastel purple. I'm going to put that between the pastel green blue and this. I'm going to put that there. So I'm just going to start working that in and placing that there. Okay, that's very, very pretty. Yay. This is not going to be a disaster, at least, yay. So I'm glad about that. So I'm gonna go with a little bit of a smaller brush to kind of clean up and everything. Okay, I'm just gonna take this brush right here. This is like an elf brush. And I'm going to go back in with that blue that we used, the turquoise-ish kind of blue. I'm gonna lightly dab, and I'm just gonna work it back into the very end. This orange, and kind of get this transition cleaned up a bit. There. Now, and take this color right here, which is like a beige my brow bone and kind of blending that into the transition shade a bit. I am going to brush off my bake. Okay, so now that I brushed off my bake, I'm going to line my eyes and stuff first. Then basically finish up my top lash line before I do this bottom lash line stuff. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with this way this came out. I can't wait to see Danielle's look too. Because I haven't seen it yet. I'll see it when she releases the video, so I'm excited to see how hers came out. I don't know, is this pastel? I think this is pastel, right, guys? Probably. Maybe? I think so. So I'm going to take a small kind of detail brush. This, I'm going to put, what should I put? I'm going to take this green, actually. See how this comes out. Oh no, I'm not. Because I know how I look weird with shimmer under my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take the glazed palette. I'm gonna take this blue and just bring that down to my bottom lash line. I'm going to contour and blush very quickly. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do something I may or may not regret. I'm going to take this Kamate Tokyo Wink Glow Eye, so this is like a liquid eyeshadow, and this pink color is very pretty pink. And I'm going to put just a bit on the inner part where I have the pink. Yeah, see, that's so much more pink on camera. And I'm just gonna kind of blend that in to the purple. Yeah, it's so much prettier. Okay, and then I do have to go back in to build up that purple back on top of where I covered it up a bit. Use the same brush, why not? And I'm just gonna kind of put that, like, pop that in a bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker purple because it's not actually that much darker, and it's just gonna help it look purpler. I like it a lot better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blush. Taking my e.l.f. blush in Mary Berry. Putting just a bit. I'm going to take this pink. Wait, it's drowning it out a bit. This pink with this red highlight. It's really pretty. Very pretty. This tart lip paint and choker. Okay. Then I'm going to, on top of that, as it's drying down a bit, take this from Shop Miss A AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss and Bubblegum. So this is like a nice purple shade, purple pink, and I'm gonna put that in the center. I'm gonna wait for this to dry down a bit. So I'm putting this Bubblegum Miss A lip gloss on. It's actually really pretty. You can see kind of the purple in it. I'm putting it just in the center. That's really pretty actually. This is $1 at Shop Miss A. $1. Okay, I like this look. It's not bad, not bad. Okay, so this is the final look. Yeah, so it's not bad. I think I'm glad I decided to put this on there. So now you can actually see the pink. So I think you can see it a little more clearly than you did earlier, but that is pink, purple, and the blue. So it's not terrible. I kind of wish I had a little more like bigger, like dramatic eyelashes to go with this, because I think color-wise call for the more dramatic look, like dramatic lash, but like I don't have one, so that's okay. We'll go without it. This highlight is actually really pretty, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this because I don't really venture into color that much, especially not in the whole color look. If I do colors, you should do just in the center or anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. My hair is a mess as always. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, subscribe. Yeah, check out Danielle. Her channel's gonna be linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.